Hello, welcome back again to my channel, Cooking with Eva Blight. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Hello world! It's been a while I didn't make a video and I apologize for that. Especially to my friend Anne. Sorry Anne that I wasn't able to make a video. As I told you last time that I'm trying to make a video, but I apologize because I was so busy lately. So anyway, I'm here now. I'm back and hope you all excited to see our latest video after 2 months, I guess, right? 2 months? Oh my gosh. Anyway, today we're going to make a chicken curry and it's so easy and fast to make it. I think it's like 20 to 30 minutes to make it. Okay, I'm not gonna sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna take it too long. Umpisahan na po natin magluto ng chicken curry. Okay, here's our ingredients for our chicken curry. 1 pound of chicken breast. You can use a whole chicken, you just chop it into little. It's up to you. 1 piece of russet potato. I use russet potato. Oh, by the way, if you notice, I put water so that the potato won't be brown, because that's the secret. And also 2 sticks of celery, 3 sticks of carrots or 3 pieces of carrots, half white onion, a little bit of red and yellow bell pepper. I'm out of green, so I use that one. Half teaspoon of what do you call this one? Turmeric. Sorry. A little bit of ginger. I slice into little. 3 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons of oil. Half teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 2 tablespoons of chicken curry. Oh, I'm sorry, curry. Just curry, okay? And a bay leaves. 1 can of milk, coconut milk. And of course, we're using black pepper too. Okay, umpisahan na po nating magluto ng ating chicken curry. Let's get started. Okay, I just put the oil. I think it's hot now. I think it's ready to put the garlic. Let's see. Okay. Let's make this brown a little bit. Okay, now let's put the ginger. The ginger. Next, onion. Next is chicken. Next is fish sauce. A little bit of black pepper. Okay, we'll be back in 5 minutes, okay? Okay, let's check the chicken. Alright. Smell good. Combination with the ginger, oh, and the fish sauce. The reason why I put the fish sauce because so that it will absorb into the meat. Okay. Now we're going to put the coconut milk. Okay. The bay leaves. The potato, carrots, celery. All right. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, let's check our chicken curry. Oh my gosh, smells so good. All right. Okay, next we need to put is the curry powder, turmeric. It's up to you if you would like to put turmeric or not. It's your choice, but me, I like turmeric. It's good for your body, you know, for the inflammation. And salt is the next one. Let's stir it. Ooh, smell good. We'll be back another 10 minutes, all right? Okay, let's check our chicken curry. Ooh, it's done. Let's just put the bell pepper, okay? The bell pepper is the last ingredients that we have to put in our chicken curry. Oh la la, oh my gosh. It's done and smells so good. Now we can try it and taste it. Alright, let's transfer some into the plate and then we will try it, okay? Alright, ito na po yung chicken curry natin. Here's our chicken curry. It looks so yummy, it looks so good, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try it now, alright? Alright, let's try our chicken curry. I'm so excited. It's so hot. Okay, first I have to try the potato. It's so tender. Not really tender, not overcooked. Just about right. Oh wow. The flavor of the fish sauce, it's absorbed to the vegetables too. Oh my gosh. Let me see the carrots. Mmm. Awesome. Awesome. So hot. Okay. Then the chicken, tender. Oh my goodness. You should try this. So easy to cook and so yummy. Let's try the celery. Wow. One more chicken. My goodness. It's perfect. Alright, once again, I hope you enjoy my video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please try this as well. This kind of recipe, it's really good. I love it. It's exactly. Don't add anything else except this recipe. But if you don't, if you want another recipe besides my recipe, with your own recipe, it's up to you, you know. Nasa sayo po yun kung paano mo lutuin yung, yung chicken curry mo. But for me, I love this kind of recipe. So, hopefully, you will try this and share this to your friends and loved ones. Or, I'm sorry. Alright. Thank you once again. I hope you enjoy my video. Hi, Anne. I hope you enjoy my video. And please try to make this as well, okay? Bye. Until next time. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to you all. God bless.